doing today is a short course mountain bike race. We're launching directionally out onto the Buccaneer Road and down or behind the baseball fields of the middle school. And you'll find yourself on single track about a mile into the race. Actually pretty early too, but some really great trails along the Cahaba River, meandering through the woods. Then you'll pop out on a long, smooth climb, a long sidewalk climb up the hill through the Green Trails neighborhood from Signature Homes. And you're gonna come in reverse back through this chute under the Hammies Archway. Just wanna shout out all you guys for coming out to race, and appreciate you guys racing the Hammies. Really cool thing that we get to have at the Hammies in Hoover is Mayor Frank Mercado. He's gonna launch you guys off, introduce himself, and say a few words.
Well, good morning. Welcome back to Hoover for the second Hammies. I tell you, I was on those trails this morning. It's absolutely beautiful. You're going to enjoy it. You couldn't get finer weather than we've got right here for biking. And I hope you have an exciting race. And I think we're pretty close to kicking it off, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's get ready, Max. Thank y'all for being here.
Taking the lead there, beating all the boys, coming into the first turn on lap number 1 of the Little Hammies. She's still in the lead going into lap number 2. Looks like all the boys today.